Roughly 280 miles over our heads right now, circling the Earth once every 93 minutes, is Asgardia 1, the capital of the micronation, Asgardia. Igor Ashurbayli isn't your average micronationalist. He was born in Azerbaijan on September 9, 1963, amidst the ever-intensifying space race between the Soviet Union and the United States. By the time he was an adult, Igor was living in Moscow and was a heavy hitter in the Russian science community. In 2010, he was awarded Russia's State Science and Technology Prize. In 2013, he founded the Aerospace International Research Center in Vienna, Austria. And in 2016, he was awarded the Gold UNESCO Medal for contributions to the development of nanoscience and nanotechnologies. So Igor has quite a bit of street cred in the scientific community, which was certainly helpful in getting his latest project, the space nation of Asgardia, off the ground.
And we have ignition.
On November 12, 2017, Cygnus CRS-OA-8E launched from the Mid-Atlantic Regional Spaceport on Wallops Island, Virginia. The craft, named the SS Gene Cernan in honor of the Celestia passport holder and last man to walk on the moon, carried with it 7,359 pounds of cargo, including a 6-pound CubeSat known as Asgardia 1. On December 6th, the SS Cernan released the 4x4x8 cube into low Earth orbit, where it is expected to stay until its orbit decays in November of 2022. Asgardia now claims that it's the first nation to have all of its territory in space. Despite its territory being in space, Asgardia's government and population exist terrestrially, with its headquarters located in Vienna, Austria. Chapter 3, Article 6 of the Asgardian Constitution states that anyone over the age of 18 who agrees to the Asgardian Constitution and consciously submits his or her personal data to Asgardia's space database may become an Asgardian citizen. And many have accepted this offer. As of this recording, Asgardia's website lists their population at 1,039,214, 50,000 more people than Iceland, Belize, and Barbados combined. So I think the obvious question here is, why? What would possess a man to pour a ton of money into trying to establish a nation in space? Well, for starters, Igor is a billionaire, so he has the disposable income to launch disposable metal containers into space. And he cites some altruistic reasons for investing in a nation amongst the stars. One of the goals of Asgardia is to create a planetary defense constellation to protect Earth against asteroids, solar flares, and human-manufactured space junk. But some cynics see other motivations. It has been theorized that one goal for Asgardia is for it to become an outer space tax haven for fellow billionaires. And then there's the clause in the Constitution where citizens forfeit their private data, which has led people to wonder if that's really what this is all about. In reality, it's probably a combination of all of those reasons. But who wouldn't want to be the president of a nation in space if they had the means to do so?